This is Sky Vibe for the week of August 11th. Hey, Cancer! Something sexy this way comes. You're going to like the cosmic changes this week. This Monday and Tuesday, your focus is perfect as the Sagittarius moon helps you sort through your daily routine and set the stage for highlighting your social life. By Wednesday and Thursday, you'll be able to say no with ease, grace, and even affection as Saturn keeps Venus honest with an insistent suitor you're just not that into. And now, Cancer, are you ready for your weekend fun? You've been saving yourself for a time like this. Your sex life will take on extraterrestrial dimensions as the eclipse of the moon gives you time to get in tune with the one you love. Prepare yourself for passion and thank those planets for the energy surge Mars and Pluto will muster up Sunday. So, Cancer, find Eros in your elements and make every week happen the way you want it to. Remember to check back soon for your weekly Sky Vibe.